I've been asked to replace them taps and the waste. When I priced it, I got a picture sent and it was only like, took like, I don't know how it was took, but it definitely didn't look like a back to wall tap. This is not good. Well, better take the panel off and see what I can do. Ah, crap. Right, panel off. I mean, if I can get around the back, down there, and see what kind of connections they put on. Maybe half a chance. It just doesn't look very big. I'm not very big, but all depends on how much I can reach. Last time I did one of these I had a second pair of hands, whereas I don't have that today. I can reach the cold just. However, the hot, got this basin in the way. I don't really want to be leaning on them waste parts here, so I'm just going to have to turn the water off and try and go for it. I suppose I've got to reseal this around this bath as well, so I'm going to do that when the taps are out. If I can get them out. They're on flex, they're not on flexes, they're on speed fit hand type tap connectors. That's what we've got. This is going to be crap. I've got to be away from here at 12, so let's get cracking. I brought the tap sets up from today's tools, but I think it's just going to be adjustable spanner and box spanner to undo them off, to be honest. Undoing them off shouldn't be the big issue. I've took the overflow out of the way. It's getting the new ones back on what's going to be the problem. Keep it all down. I'm not going to be able to reach with this little boy. Please. This is crap, man. Yes. This is the easier side. If I could reach it. Oh, which I can't. Fuck off, man. Just come on. Fuck's sake. Oh my god, I'm turning off the camera. Because there's going to be a lot of offensive language said in the next 5 or 10 minutes. I've given up with that for a bit. I'm ragging to death my arm. I'll change this basin waste and tap whilst we're here, so I'm moving on to that for a minute, because although I've got the cold side off, I've undone the connection to the hot and that's off. I just can't get to the back nut. I may have to go down that side to reach it, but I was trying to avoid doing that if I could help it. I might not even be able to reach it from that side, and if that's the case, then I have no idea what the plan is. So I'm having a breather. However, this feels like it's just gonna break to pieces. Which is going to be good, because then they'll probably need a new trap. Crappy jobs, man. Crappy jobs. Seized on. Just come off, man. Oh, it just snapped. Great. Now I've got to struggle getting this out of there. It's Monday. It's one of them days just wish you hadn't got out of bed. I know I'm doing a lot of moaning, but them bath taps are shit. I get a bucket under this. Ugh. Right, let's get all that cleaned up. Tap out, silicone in, and get a new one in, and hopefully that'll be one thing off my mind. I've got another one to do downstairs as well. But that's doing my head in. Don't put silicone on waste. Nah, I'll do whatever I want to do. Doesn't leak this way. It's the way I've done it for 17 years. Bead around on the rear to fill the joint, stop it from running down the threads. That's that side done, just nipped it up. Just need to clean off this mess. I always do it with my finger first, go over it with a tissue, and then a wet wipe. It's a lot smaller than the last one. I can't get these marks off, so it's unfortunate. Right, tap. They may be long enough. They may just be long enough. Let's see. I'm never going to get to my next job. I'm going to have to cancel it, move it. Got another basin tap and waste to do downstairs, which should take similar length time to this. However, I've not got the trap sorted yet, but I've also got to reseal around that bath. We all know how long that takes. The flexes were long enough. One tap in. Bit of luck, the previous guy had already filed down the isolation valve, so there was a flat face to tighten on the washer to. Let's get this stupid trap off and then we'll go back to that. Oh, that was a pain. Got it off though. It just needs a new washer on it. I'm trying to find one out of the van. Look at the state, just crumbled to absolute nothing. Brass that. Brass. Around the side of there is not the one. I didn't manage to undo it, so I've undone it from the top. However, I don't think that's helped unless this is holding that plastic nut underneath and allowing it to turn off, which I can't tell at the minute. This is the easy bit of this. Getting the old one off, and getting the new one on, what's going to be a pig. Maybe I can hold something through that overflow. I can't tell what's going on. She's off. Right. Like I said, I've got to reseal around this bath. But I'm going to cut out the old stuff and I'm going to reseal from there to there. Well, I might just do that whole back wall, do the rest of it later. But not looking forward to trying getting the rest of the stuff back together now. Best get cutting that crap out. Where's my fucking Stanley knife? took me about half an hour to find a frigging new washer for the trap, because I've got 4 or 5 basin traps in the van and I've nicked every washer off them. I did find one eventually. Right, continue back on this. As you can see, I keep jumping between jobs because I'm just getting frustrated with the crappy with the bath. That's better than it was. I have took out the rest of that lot. That's got a nice joint on it. That's fucking humongous. Good state of that. And obviously that's on the shower side, so that'd have been better the opposite way around, but oh well. Tyler's mistake. Right, my plan with I'm even getting way ahead of myself now, like, but I'm not going to use the speed-fit tap connectors that they'd used before. What I'm going to do is take them off from these T's here, pull them 2 pieces of pipe out, put some flexes on, tighten them out of position, tighten them to the bottom of the tap, and then cut them down afterwards for whatever length they need to be for going back in these T's. That'll make things a teeny bit easier, but I've still got to get to that point yet. The reason why I put flexes on is because the speed-fit tap connectors, I haven't got, I don't think, any little fibre washers for them, rubber ones. And even if I have, I know it's speed-fit pipe, but it's still quite rigid. It's probably best going to be with the flexes, because I can spin them up by hand, hopefully, if I can reach one nip up with a spanner, come down here and sort them. I've got to get that far though. Even just getting the frigging taps in is going to be hard work. Can I spin the nut and washer up? Can I? Bollocks. That was wishful thinking, wasn't it? Why can't they put the washers in? Like, why do we have to put the washers in? Crosswater waste kit that the customers bought. A couple of washers which go inside here for the top part of the overflow. Like that. And I'll put a bit of silicone on them just to help ease it going on and hold it in position when it's there. I'm kidding myself thinking this is going to be any easier than the whole cold to the tap, but it's all got to be done on it. Push that on. Like so. I don't know why they can't do any of this. This silicone here, the big washer to go on, but which one is it? The silicone is just to try and help it stay in position. I don't know if that's the right washer. Don't look it. I don't know if this is going to work or not. I'm hoping when I put the bottom part of this bath waste on that it kind of holds its position as a 90 like it is now and lands something near that overflow and stays there, just so I can tighten on this retaining nut. We'll find out. I think I'm dreaming here. I am, mate. I'm dreaming. Please, God, work. Fucking washer. What are you doing? Just stay. Please stay, please stay. Please stay. Oh fuck, that's not in the right place. I'm not running along those pliers with me. Don't just fucking drop down the back, please. Oh, do just drop down the back. Do. Fuck off. Try again. Right, now I just need to try and position the washer and stuff, but I've got it on one thread. Right, where are we up to? Bath waste is in up to there. It's not tightened on at the bottom down there because I need to replace the O-ring on the trap. Took out the hot and colds from these tees, ready for my flexies. So with a bit of luck, the only thing I'll need to do is tighten on the flexies from either side and then go back round one more time when the water's back on to test, checking there's no leaks, which they're brand new flexies so there shouldn't be. Still haven't sealed up, but yeah, I need to get this done. So I'm going, I think they want me out of this bathroom by 12 so they can get ready for work, but it's 11:15 now, so we'll just have to see how much I can get done. I think I could possibly be out of this room by 12 if I had these flexes nip up alright. Shattered me. Starving. I've not stopped, not even had a brew. I'm going to swap the trap for the new one, and then we're going to turn the water back on before doing the downstairs basin tap. I need that for sealing the panel back on. Still check everything now. Need to carry on filling that, but I've turned it off so I can speak to you. That is it. Job done. I'm going to carry on filling that bit whilst changing the basin tap downstairs. I'm not going to film that, I've had enough, I'm not going to lie. That's enough for one episode. I was going to film the rest of the day as well, but I haven't cancelled the next job because I think I will make it in time with skipping dinner. As usual, thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this episode, if you enjoyed this struggle, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on next one.